Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Lit video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today we're looking at, well, hopefully this should be a new Scribblings book by Dean Yeagle. So let's get into this one. So Dean Yeagle is one of my favouriteest artists, and these Scribblings books are also one of my favourite collection of books. Because what it is you just get a bunch of little doodles, scribblings, sketches of all of Dean Yeagle's characters, primarily focusing on Mandy and Scoots, which is why lilDENNiS is here, little Scootsy. But I love these books, and I've also got one called Mandy and Scoots, which is more of a sort of story. It's like a sort of a story. Now, what happened was, Dean Yeagle, he said basically Scribblings number 8 is like a mix of, it's like a mix of a story with your scribblings. So I'm even more excited for this one. So lilDENNiS is going to let us get into, he's going to get us into this one. I've got some scissors. You're going to have to be careful though, because I don't really want to damage the, thingy. But I always find it quite hard to get into these. All lilDENNiS does. It's quite funny. Yeah, look, see, I've already ripped it. It's really hard to not rip these things. I wanted to sort of keep it nice and clean. But oh well. Doesn't matter, does it? Well, it does. I think lilDENNiS is just going to have to rip this one out. Oh, I can't get into it, lilDENNiS. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut the edge. No, I can't do that. This is the problem, you see. Cut. I think the best way to do this is to do this. Get your knife out. Get your little craft knife out. Yeah, this is good. I should have done this to start with. Part of the fun is actually opening the packages sometimes. God, this is probably the hardest one I've ever had to open, I think. There you go. That should do it. Yay! Dun dun dun! Oh, I can't wait for this. I wonder what colour it is. What colour do you reckon it is? We've had a blue one, a red one, a yellowy one, a brown one. I think this one's going to be green. Ooh, look at that, look. Oh, that's nice. He's gone with a matte finish as well. I much prefer matte covers. Look, the other Scribblings have always been glossy, shiny ones. This one's a matte one. Matte one. Oh, look. Oh, cool, look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Trixie. Oh, I've actually been looking into this Trixie character. Trixie is from a different artist. And Dean Yeagle and this other... Oh, what's he called? It's something Lopez. Something Lopez, the other artist is. I can't remember the name. But this other artist called Lopez something or other has created a character called Trixie, and I want to get the Trixie art book. Oh look, this is cool. Oh, I love that. We've got little postcards and bookmarks of Mandy. I love this as well. Look how cool those two characters look together. Yeah, I want to get the I really want to get that art book. It's very hard to find it though. Oh, it's beautiful, that was. Scribblings the 8th. Mandy goes to a French beach and... Dun dun dun! There she is, look. 2022. So this is fresh off the press. It's cool, isn't it? Gonna get inside. Yay! Oh, I love that. Look, Dean Yeagle's actually done a little sketchy there. Thank you. Naughty, she's wearing a face mask. I don't like that she's wearing a face mask. See, if I'd done that, I would have put the face mask down here. That would have been quite funny. Since we, and by we I mean the entire planet, and all of its inhabitants, or whatever species, puppets, have recently been in grim, and of some of us even dangerous circumstances, we have not put out a new book since 2019. At the time of this writing and drawing it is 2022, and we feel that it is perhaps appropriate to once again do our small part to help put aside thoughts of universal brawara. This book is humbly offered as a contribution to the effort. Besides, we need the money. That's one of the things I love about Dean Yeagle, is there's a sense of humour in it. Like even Mandy, she's a super sexy character, but there's like a hint of fun. Oh, I love this one. She looks a little bit like oh, what's she called? Harlequin. She reminds me a bit of Harlequin there. Yeah, look, this particular Scribblings is a bit different from the others. Instead of a purely sketchbook, there's a mix of a little story in it. So this one, she's going to the beach. Such a sexy character. She's got like an innocence, a sexy, and a fun. She's like the girl next door, but also she reminds me a bit of my mum actually. There's a little bit of like stupidness about her. Beautiful shapes, and I love all these little. That's the thing, that the character's got a lot of room to breathe. I wonder if Scootsy's going to be in this one. That's nice. Look at that, look, a little foot. See a little toe, look. There's a little gap between her toes. This reminds me a bit of Mr. Bean. I don't know if you've ever seen the episode of Mr. Bean when he's on the beach and he's got to take his clothes off. That's quite a funny one, that. Look at that shape there, look. And look at that. It's the way the little, that little sort of curviness there, and there's a curviness there, look. It's like gentleness. Little tiny gap there as well, look. See, I'll read this later. Sketches. I'll probably have to blur out these nipples, because I know YouTube doesn't like the old nips. What a beautiful one that is, look. Absolutely love that. And that one. Look, you've got the straightness there with the curves. This is quite interesting the way they've done this. It's almost like, look, it's all highly rendered. But as she sort of takes her clothes off and lets go, it's almost like as she lets go, she suddenly starts to become a sketch. Almost like, it's almost like she's sort of finding a confidence in herself. She's turning into a sketch. It's beautiful. Look at that, look. Scribblings. Le fin. I like the shadow on that one. So it looks like we've got, it looks like it's 50-50 sketches and a story. If that had been me, I think I would have actually started with the scribblings and put the story at the back. That's what I think. Look, these are beautiful. Yeah, for me, I am way more excited by sketches. Oh, cool, that little figure. Huh. Mandy in the museum, the Louvre. I like her outfit on that one. She's nice. I love that one. Yeah, connection to nature as well. Little characters, I like these characters. Look at him, look. The gnomes. TV show, the gnomes. Trolls. He's quite cool, isn't he? Could be that doggy barking downstairs. Maybe that's Scoots. There he is, look. Ruff. Huh. How funny is that? Scootsy comes on just as there's a dog barking downstairs. I love the way these animals feel. They feel like proper characters. Look, he's brilliant, and he Scoots. I love him, look. Look at he's like sort of, he's got like a sort of a chunkiness to him. That actually reminds me of when I go deep into a meditation and you connect with what I think is source, or you could call it God or the universe or something. There's this feeling of expansion, and it comes with it this feeling of like a marshmallow thing. It's like your body. I think as I'm getting older and stuff and learning more, I'm thinking what you're feeling is the astral body around. I think you're feeling your spirit body, and it's got like a chunkiness to it. Scoots has got that same feeling about it, which is something I can't explain it, but I'm feeling the same feeling as from that Scoots drawing as when I connect with God or the universe. How beautiful is that? Which says to me that like the universe or something must be shapes. Or maybe what's happening is you speak it's the language of shapes. I like that. Look at her lips, look. That's cool, isn't it? I am not Harley. Oh, how weird is that? I am not Harley. I'm not Harley Quinn. And yet over this one, I said it looked like a bit like Harley Quinn. That's weird. A new goddess. Absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love that she's on her own there, like with no background. I find that quite impactful. I like the way the fabric's folding around her outfit as well. Oh no, there's only one page left. Yay! Look, we ended with Scootsy. Oh. The thing with these is I feel like I wish they went on forever. I'll tell you what I would like. A big fat thick book of nothing but Dean Yeagle's sketches. Oh, I think this is good. This story bit is going to be fun to read. But I am way more into the sketchy things. Because for me, I feel like you don't need words to connect with Dean Yeagle's artwork and characters. That was brilliant. Well, I do hope you enjoyed that. Scribblings the 8th. What do I think about the cover as well? I didn't say about that. The first two Scribblings... Did the third one do it as well? No. The first two Scribblings had like a border around them. And I did think to myself, I feel like that would have been a nice system to have kept going. You know, I feel like it would have been nice if these Scribblings, each of them had a different coloured border. So what happened was, with issue number 3, Scribblings number 3, Dean Yeagle actually stopped doing the borders. What do I think about the cover then? I like that cover because it's got scoops on it. So you're getting like the connection between the characters. I love this cover though. I like the colour of it. The pose, I like that one. Where does this one fit in? I like the way her fingers are holding the pencil. The sexiness of it. I like it says the 8th. Because it feels a bit like she's gone to school or something. Like in 8th grade. It's not my favourite cover though. I feel like these... I like the covers with scoots on as well. Look, big bum. Yeah, that's cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. As we look at Scribblings the 8th. Scribblings number 8 by the artist Dean Yeagle. And I shall see you later for another one.